Hello children, today let us learn some functions related to tuples. Okay, tuples are just like list, but lists are mutable, tuples are not mutable. Okay, the tuples is representing in parentheses, but lists are representing in square bracket. Okay, so the first function related to tuple is traversing a list or traversing a tuple. Okay, so here the syntax for traversing is for item in tuple. For item in tuple. So here next process each item. Okay, first this is the syntax for traversing a list. Traversing means visiting each occurrence of a list or visiting or processing each element of a tuple is called traversing a tuple, not list, traversing a tuple. So here t is a variable, t is assigned by this tuple P-U-R-E. Okay, so t variable is assigned by this tuple, and for a in t, a is a variable name. Okay, for a in t, print t of a, that is for each iteration it will print the value of which one? The tuple. Okay, so when you execute this statement, you will get the output as P-U-R-E. So this is the output for these codes. Clear? Next one, joining tuples. Okay, joining tuples means you can join two tuples together. Okay, you can use one concatenating operator, that is the plus operator, to join these two tuples. Okay, here the example. T1 is equal to 1, 3, 5 and T2 is equal to 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, then T1 plus T2. So T1 plus T2 means this T1 will join with T2. Then you will get the new list 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so this one is called joining tuples. Clear? Next one is replicating and slicing operator. So first one is replicating operator. This operator is used to repeat an element or a list in the given time. Okay, here how many times we need to repeat that you can specify here that much time that element or list will be repeated by using replicating operator. The star will use as the replicating operator. Okay, so this is the example. T1 is equal to 1, 3, 5. Then T1 star 3 means this list or this tuple. See children, this is not list, this one is called tuples. Okay, by mistake I said all time this list. Okay, but this one is tuple. So 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5. Okay, it will execute or it will repeat 3 times. Clear? Next one is slicing operator. Slicing operator is used to get a part of a list. Okay, the syntax for slicing operator is which one? The list, then within the bracket start operator, stop operator and the step operator. Start, stop and step values. Okay, that values you can enter in the list. Okay, or in the tuple. See here T1 is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and 70. So this tuple is assigned to T1. Then T2 is equal to T1 of 3 colon 6. 3 colon 6 means it will read from the position 3 to 5. Okay, it will read from the position 3 to 5. That much element will be assigned to this T2. Okay, so when you print the tuple T2, you will get 40, 50 and 60 because here 0, 1, 2, 3 this is the third position. Then 4, 5, 6 this is the sixth position. So it will execute or it will take only these mesh values and that value will be assigned to T2 and this printer here. Okay, or you can use the step values. Step values used to skip the values. Okay, so here the step value is 2, so it is skip 2. Okay, so first it take 10 because here the start value is 1, stop value is 6 and step value is 2. So first you take 0 the position, 0 plus 2, 2. Okay, then it takes this one, then take this one, then takes this one. But the last value is 6, so it will print only 10, 30 and 50. Clear? Okay. Next functions are LAN, max and min. Okay, first one is LAN. This function is used to find the length of tuple. Okay, then the max function is used to find the maximum value present in a tuple, and the min function is used to find the minimum value present in a tuple. Okay, so the first example, T1 is equal to LA 1, 2, 3, 4. Then LN of T1 means it will give the length of this tuple, so it returns 4. Okay, second one, max. The syntax for max is max of tuple. Max of tuple. So here TP1 is a tuple variable and is assigned as 10, 30, 70, 20 and 40. Okay, then max of TP1 will give the maximum value present in a tuple. Here which is the maximum value? Yes, 70 is the maximum value. So it displays 70. Okay. Next one is min function. Min function returns the minimum value in a tuple. The syntax is min of tuple. Okay, min of tuple. Here T1 is a tuple variable. It is assigned 10, 20, 40 and 70. Okay, 10, 20, 40 and 70. The min of T1 will give 10. Clear? So these are the functions LAN, max and min. LAN is used to find length of a tuple. Max is used to find the maximum value and min is used to find the minimum value. Clear? Next one is index operator. Okay, the syntax of index operator is tuple name dot index of item. Tuple name dot index of item. See here T1 is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so when you use this index, you will get the index of that item. Okay, for example, if you want to give a values position or values index, then you can use this index function. Okay, so this is a tuple 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So when you use this T1 dot index of 5, T1 dot index of 5 means it will return the value 5 index, the index of value 5, that is 0, 1, 2. This is the second position, so it returns 2. Okay, next one is count. Okay, that I already said in list, count is used to count the number of occurrence of an element. So here T1 is equal to 2, 5, 6, 2, 4, 2. Okay, so on T1 dot count of 2 means if this statement check the number of occurrence of the element 2 here, 1 time, 2 time and 3 time. Okay, 3 times this 2 is occurred in this tuple. So this displays 3. Okay. Next one, how to create tuples. Okay, first one, see here tuple the empty parenthesis. That means you can create a tuple. You can create an empty tuple. That is, an empty tuple is created by using this syntax. Okay, next one, how to create a tuple from a string. Okay, see here, T is equal to tuple of A, B, C. Then when you print this T, you get this A, B, C. Okay, this character will form a tuple. Next one, how to create tuple from a list. So to create a tuple from a list, you can write one list inside this parenthesis. That is, T is equal to tuple. Then 1, 2, 3, where 1, 2, 3 is a list. Okay, so when you print this T, then this 1, 2, 3 will be a tuple. Okay, next one, T is equal to tuple of this one. Okay, though this one is means dictionary. Okay, how to create a tuple from a dictionary. So here 1A, 2B. Then print the T, that means you will get a tuple 1 and 2. Okay, you will get a tuple 1 and 2. So these are the topics related to tuples. Okay, I hope you all can refresh all these topics once again. See you again with another topic. But don't forget to study all these topics from your home. Okay, thank you.